Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do factor analysis in Eviews. For that, I have a sample file that has been loaded. I will select 3 to 4 variables for which I'm looking to create an index. So you will have a panel data or any other cross-section data or time series data. And what you will do is you will select the variables which you need to add in the index. You right click open as a group and you will see the variable names. First of all, you can go here and go for principal components. When you press this, it has multiple options. So when you go for table, it will ask how many factors you need to pick. So you are picking 5, all of them. Okay, and how many factors so you can store the eigenvector values. So EV, you can store eigenmatrix EM, so but it will be also shown in the output. So when you press output, it will show you that there are 5 indices that can be that there are 5 components. First one has 54% contribution, and if you go down cumulatively, you will see that the second one has only 22. So it means first one has a major share, and then 22, then 12, then 9, and then 1. And then these indices, 5 of them have correlations with the variables, the loading values, and then the correlations. So this is the output of factor analysis. Okay, and then when you have written the names, so the eigenvalues table is also stored here, and then eigenmatrix is also stored here. Okay, and then when you can see more things from here, go in the principal components. You need eigenvalue plot. You can go for a scree plot, you can go for eigenvalue differences, you can go cumulative proportion, all of them. And we have already stored these, so we don't have to write the names again. So when you press this, it will show you that the scree plot, it is going down. First one was steeper, then it became flatter, so it is indicating that um, the 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 values are falling. Second is that it is highlighting that the first index was one index out of 5 is suitable because it is above the cumulative proportion and above this threshold. And then if you have a look that based upon this is eigenvalue difference, and based upon cumulative, you can see all of them are above the origin line, so their contributions are high. So this value, these are some plots. So you can decide using scree plot or even eigenvalue difference plot. And then you go down and principal components, you can go for loadings, and you can see the 5 variables. So if you make 2 components, so the OER is more similar to component 1, GUV and EPI are similar to component 1 because they are more parallel, more the slopes are more nearer to horizontal, and the LPD and LPOP are more similar to component 2. So it means they are technically two types of variables, two set of variables that you can see. And then we go for component score plots, and this is just a scatter plot, how the dots are being scattered and how the both components are associated with each other. Then you go for biplots where both of them are together, so you can see how dots are and the biplots are shown. Now the next thing is you need to go for creating the index. So in the proc, you can go for make principal components. You can write the variable name index1, and then you can store loading values if you want. LM because you already stored eigenvalue and eigenmatrix. You can store for you can store these, and in the components it is based upon correlation. So when you store this, so you will see that the let me show you, the variable name was num1. So this is the index that was created. Okay, and this is the file already opened. So if I will show you this way you can create the index. So the file name was num1 because I used the name index space 1. So the names cannot have spaces. That's why it's stored as num1. So this is the index that has been created using the factor analysis. So this is the way that we use to create an index. You can add more information like adding descriptive stats and correlations and scatter plots before making an index to show that these variables are similar to each other, to confirm that they have some common correlations. That's why we are going towards making the index. I hope you like this video. This way you can use the data analysis in the Eviews if you are expert in Eviews, and create the index within the Eviews rather than moving the data into some other software and creating the index. And so this way you will make sure that your analysis is comprised within Eviews. Thank you very much.